How to create Netflix mobile account best method. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can create a Facebook account on your mobile devices in the easiest way. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over to Netflix, and right here it's going to tell you to get started with an email. So I'm going to enter my email and click on get started. Now, once you do that, it says finish setting up your account. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on next and add a password for yourself. So I'm going to do just that. Once we do that, click next. And here it's going to say choose your plan. Now, once you go to choose your plan, here it's going to say choose the plan that's right for you. So you have the mobile plan. Okay. Then you have the basic plan. You have the standard plan. And then you have the premium 4K plus HDR plan. The monthly price is 1100 and so on. So you're simply going to click on next. And now it's going to say choose how to pay. So you're simply going to add in your payment method and create your Netflix mobile account. So that is pretty much about it. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.